Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the wildest tips and tricks for exploring the great outdoors. Today, we're going to talk about a game-changing tool that will take your nature experience to a whole new level. Can you guess what it is? Drumroll, please. Binoculars. That's right, folks. Binoculars are like a magical pair of glasses that bring the wonders of nature up close and personal. So, let's dive into why these little optical wonders are an absolute must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. First and foremost, binoculars enhance your vision. They act like a telescope for your eyes, allowing you to zoom in on distant objects and bring them within reach. Whether you're bird watching, wildlife spotting, or simply taking in the breathtaking landscapes, binoculars provide a whole new level of detail and immersion. But it's not just about getting a closer look. Binoculars let you truly immerse yourself in nature. You become an active participant, not just a passive observer. Imagine being able to explore the tiniest creatures, admire the intricate patterns of wildflowers, or watch the graceful flight of a butterfly. Binoculars open up a whole new world of discovery right in the palm of your hand. Now, let's talk about the sense of adventure that binoculars bring. With a pair of binoculars slung around your neck, you're ready to venture off the beaten path and uncover hidden treasures. Whether you're hiking through dense forests, exploring vast wetlands, or scaling majestic mountains, binoculars give you the power to uncover secrets that would otherwise remain hidden. It's like having a secret weapon for exploration. But wait, there's more. Binoculars aren't just for observing. They're also perfect for capturing those jaw-dropping moments. Imagine being able to zoom in on a breathtaking landscape, capture the perfect shot of a soaring eagle, or frame a stunning sunset. With binoculars, your photography game will reach new heights, and your camera roll will be filled with envy-inducing shots that will make your friends green with envy. And here's the best part, binoculars are fun for the whole gang. Pass around a pair of binoculars among family and friends, and watch the excitement on their faces as they discover hidden treasures in nature. It's a surefire way to bond, create unforgettable memories, and spark a shared love for the great outdoors. But wait, there's even more. Binoculars are a versatile tool that can be used in various outdoor activities. Whether you're on a safari adventure, attending a sports event, or exploring the night sky, binoculars enhance your experience and bring every moment to life. Another reason to love binoculars is their portability. They're compact, lightweight, and easy to carry around, making them a convenient companion for all your outdoor escapades. Slip them into your backpack, hang them around your neck, or stash them in your pocket. Binoculars are always ready to be deployed for an instant nature encounter. Binoculars also help you appreciate the small wonders of nature. From the intricate patterns on a butterfly's wings to the delicate details of a flower petal, binoculars unveil the hidden beauty that often goes unnoticed. It's like discovering a whole new world within the world. Speaking of wildlife, binoculars are a fantastic tool for animal tracking. Spotting elusive creatures becomes easier when you can observe them from a safe distance. Binoculars allow you to study their behavior, movements, and interactions without disturbing their natural habitat. It's like having a front-row seat to a wildlife documentary. Now, let's not forget about stargazing. Binoculars can turn a night under the stars into an awe-inspiring celestial adventure. With their ability to magnify distant objects, binoculars reveal the wonders of the night sky in stunning detail. From observing constellations to catching a glimpse of the majestic Milky Way, binoculars let you explore the cosmos right from your camping spot. But wait, there's still more to love about binoculars. They are a valuable tool for safety in the great outdoors. Whether you're hiking, camping, or exploring unfamiliar territory, binoculars allow you to scout ahead, identify potential hazards, and plan your route with confidence. It's like having a trusty navigator by your side. So, fellow adventurers, if you're ready to take your nature exploration to new heights, we highly recommend getting a pair of binoculars. And guess what? We've got you covered. Check out the shop below for a selection of binoculars that our channel personally recommends. Equip yourself with these optical wonders, and get ready to embark on unforgettable adventures in the wild. Thank you for joining us today on our wild journey into the world of binoculars. If you found this video helpful and entertaining, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow nature enthusiasts. And hey, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and become a part of our thriving community. Until our next wild escapade, keep exploring, stay curious, and embrace the beauty of nature with your trusty binoculars.